To send a model to get printed, we have to first load the model in the marvelous Medico soft. We can do some modifications if we haven't already, if the model's not already prepared, so we can get the model prepared. Takes a while to modify. Modifying is a big job. So once it's done, perhaps we want to add a distal adapter, which we could then choose. And then when that's done, we then have to save it onto the Medico drive. Now the only way to get a file to the AutoPrinter is through the Medico drive. So we go to upload, and we will put this one in the test folder because it's a test. And in that folder we will give it a name. We will give it a name here, John Doe. And I will click send to AutoFormer. So that's the key thing, send to AutoFormer and upload. And then it says the model's been uploaded. That is the entire process on this end. Now let's look at the printer side. When we're on the printer, we open the marvelous Medico soft. This is the printer version. It automatically opens, and because that file was one we have sent, so it's automatically loaded it and prepared it for sending. If it was not there, we'd click on download from download file to print. And then at this point, we'd decide what material we would want to use, the rigid, the flexible, or the clear. We're going to go for clear, and then we'd say send. And now it's sending it to the printer itself. And we'll just give it a second as it prepares the file for sending. And now it opens the printer control software. As you can see, it's preparing everything to run. It's preheating. This is the file that's going to be printed. So, and you can see it's fully prepared. And at that point, the only thing left to do is click start. Now, in the event that the file was not there, you could either click download and see if it loads, and if it doesn't, you can click select file to print, and this would bring up the drive itself, and then you could select the file, which is right there, and I will just select it, and now the file's ready. Same approach, and away we go. We just click send, and it's sending the job, and then we'll automatically be ready to print. That is the entire process. Okay, so this is the printer screen. The final step is just to come over here to where it says start. Click start on the screen, and then remember to put on the glue. And then you are ready to go. Nothing more left to do but to watch and enjoy.